I'm starting a 12-hour stream today because of my 2-year anniversary streaming on Twitch. I'm going to do a lot of turning on my lathe, so I thought I'd make a little YouTube video just to kind of show you what I got up to. I hope you enjoy it. So after that marathon session of turning, I managed to turn one thing, which was okay. And it's made of cedar that my friend Brent sent to me, so thanks a lot, Brent, appreciate that. And it's a really nice wood, but you know, it's really rough the way I've done it. I probably don't have the tools as sharp as I could have. I'm not that learned on that kind of side of turning yet, but you know what, it was alright. I like it. I'll probably use it to chuck some stuff in. And I finished it with some mineral oil and beeswax solution that I made, so it wasn't that bad. I'm learning, that's the main thing. If you enjoyed that video and you'd like to see more, please don't hesitate to subscribe, and also like the video and share it if you can. Sharing videos helps me out a ton. It really helps with my growth, and it helps me be able to make more videos and explore new things and try out new experiments and stuff like that. So please feel free to share the video. If you'd like to catch me live on Twitch, then you can go to twitch.tv/TimberandYou. I stream there every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and sometimes Saturdays. You'll see stuff on there that you don't necessarily see on YouTube. For example, this figure that I've been carving lately has a kind of a robot-y kind of arm. That's from a game called Destiny. It's for my brother. I haven't played it, but it's very challenging. So you'll see all kinds of weird projects on there that I don't actually get onto YouTube. I only get a fraction of what I make on Twitch onto YouTube. So if you come to Twitch, you're kind of coming to the hub of where all the projects are created. Anyway, thanks very much for coming, and I will catch you again next time. Thank you.